Here it is at the Akron Soul Train Museum. That's right, at the Akron Soul Train Museum. Hello. I'm here to do some videotaping in reference to the museum they got set up.
Yeah. Well, yeah, great. This is the opening of our current shows. So you can kind of go around and explore.
Thank you. Wow, I don't remember. Look like they got something new posted up on the wall from the last time. Whoa, red cross, a shape of a birthday cake, shape of a hammer, and a shape of a tree, and so on. Whoa, I don't remember the walls being painted yellow the last time, or gold. Used to be painted white. Oh, what else do they have? Oh, what's going on here in this room? Used to be different the last time. This room used to be different, like the underground cave. Used to be the underground cave, but now it's different. What happened? Looked like they changed something around from the underground to something different. Oh, you got a restroom here? Well, there you have it, over and out at the Akron Soul Train Museum. That's right, at the Akron Soul Train Museum. You are invited. Your hand and mouth are not. Whoa, what is that all about? Oh, what in the world do they have to be concerned about? Oh, I wonder what's going on the other side. Oh, whoa, okay, nothing to explore. There you have it, over and out at the Akron Soul Train Museum. Like us on YouTube and subscribe. That's right. Like us on YouTube and subscribe. The Akron Soul Train Museum. That's right. Whoa. There you have it, over and out. The Akron Soul Train Museum. That's right. The Akron Soul Train Museum and exhibit. Like us on YouTube and subscribe. Thanks for letting me in the videotape.
Yeah, thank you for coming in.
You're welcome. There you have it, over and out at the Akron Soul Train Museum. That's right, at the Akron Soul Train Museum. Like us on YouTube and subscribe. Oh, sounds like they got something going on in Lot 3. There you have it.